Hello and welcome to this non-verbal reasoning question. In this particular question we have 6 shapes, and underneath each of these shapes we have some codes which link, which refer, which belong to this shape. Apart from the last shape, that doesn't have a code, and that's what we need to find out. We need to find out what is the missing code. We have 5 options: A, B, C, D or E. Which of these codes refers to this particular missing shape? That's the question. Okay, so let's have a very good look at these shapes and see if there's anything in common. Well, actually, I'm going to look at the code. So I'm looking at the first letter first of all, and I can see B, C, A, C, D. Okay, you've got 2 C's there. So what do these 2 C's have in common? Well, you've got the arrow pointing downwards. Okay, well, let's keep it like that. I don't really have too long to spend on this question. So the arrow's pointing downwards. Yep, that arrow's pointing up, that one's pointing to the right, that one's pointing to the left. So they do have the arrow in the right direction. That's the first one. The first letter, therefore, in for these 2 particular shapes is C. So what could be the first letter on this shape that we need to find the code for? Well, the arrow's pointing upwards, and the only other one that's pointing upwards is this one here, and that first letter is A. So the answer, my first letter in this particular question is A, because the arrow is pointing up, the first letter is A. Now what could be the second letter? Well, actually, let's look at this shape. You've got 3 black dots and a white dot. Okay, you've got something different there, something different there, something different. Okay, you've got 3 black dots and a white dot, and something different there. So yes, so the second letter is Y, because I've already got the first letter, which is A, so I'm looking for the second letter, which is now in this particular shape it's Y. So the answer is A, because the arrow is pointing up, and the second letter is Y, because you've got these 3 dots and a white dot, which they have in common. So the answer is A, Y. And if you look at the answers, AY is B, answer B. I hope that made sense to you. Watch the video. If it didn't, take care of yourself and watch my other videos. Take care, bye bye.